To remove the exterior door handle, you're gonna need to remove the door panel, of course, the way we got here. And then you gotta make sure the window's rolled up all the way. And if you notice, there's this hole right here and this hole right here. If you look straight through, you're gonna see those screws right in the end. I'll try to put some sort of marker there. That one and that one. And that should release your handle. So we're using a 10mm with an extension to get there with no problems. All right, I'm gonna loosen that up and pull it out. Here we go. Once you loosen up the screws from inside, this should just pop out on one side. And to get this to pop out, you need to push it that way and then pull it out. All right, it's gonna wanna get stuck on this spring right here. So just maneuver it out just like that. Okay, so once it's maneuvered, you're gonna see that this handle is stuck on the actual lock. And that lock has that safe security pin right here that we just pry out. Make sure you don't lose this. Just like that. And then pull it out. It's right there. Found it. And once you do that, this should just slide out. And when it slides out, you just maneuver it around. There you go. Bam. Out with the old, in with the new. And install it in a reverse order. Here we go. All right, so once you're starting to put your new one in place, don't forget to line that up. Put your clip on there, and then let's reinstall it. All right, here we go. So once you put your new handle in place, now it's time to drive the screw back here and tighten it up. You see the screw missing right there? We're gonna do that right now. All right. So once we tighten it up, we're pretty much done. Here's the test. Testing. Nice. New handle. All right, time to finish the door panel. So we went ahead and removed the old hardware here and installed the new one. We drilled out the old plastic rivets that were here and put some screws in that came with the hardware. And it works real good. Now it's time to install this handle. So we're gonna flip it over. And you see it's got a little pin right there. And it's got a groove here. So we're just gonna try to slide it in and hope it does the trick. Well, it's got a clip on there. That's right now. It's just gonna pull out. There we go. Maybe have to. Probably gonna have to tap that in or something. I'm not sure. Let's see how it. Let's see how it goes. All right. So once it's connected, make sure this pin is down, almost flush. There you go. Handle works now. That's how you fix the door handle on a panel on a Silverado truck. Now it's time to put her on. Reverse order. Here we go. I won't bore you with this though, so do the YouTube magic. Here you go. All right, once the panel goes in, don't forget to put your master switch back on, get it all connected, and then we'll put the handle back on. But this is the biggest part right here. How to install a door handle on your Chevrolet Silverado truck. There you go.